Hey guys, so I have prepared the batter and put the cake in the oven. So I'll be going to fourth block to buy some stuff. It's currently 11:50 and I've placed the fridge in the cake.
ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಊದ್ಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Hey guys, this is me Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So today is 30th of Jan and tomorrow is my sister's birthday. So I'll be baking a cake which is Kit Kat chocolate cake. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out or if it's gonna be a vlog or what. I have no clue, but if it turns out well, I'm surely gonna upload it. This Kit Kat cake is a super simple recipe. It's just a chocolate cake decorated with Kit Kat and some gems. So let's just go check out the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 2 eggs. Now the replacement for eggs is a cup of curd plus 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Just mix it well until it gets foamy. Now to this add 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence. Half cup of powdered sugar, you can use normal sugar as well. Just beat it well for 5 minutes. If you use an electric beater, you get much good results. Now add 1 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and just mix it well. Now add half a cup of milk in batches. Add the rest and just mix it well such that there are no lumps. Here I have a 6-inch cake mold. I've lined it with butter paper. Now grease it with butter or oil. Pour in the batter. As you can see, there are air bubbles in the batter, but I ignored it. To eliminate it, mix the batter with a toothpick and gently tap the tin. Now I'm gonna bake it in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I've put up the instructions for OTG and cooker. Hey guys, so I prepared the batter and I've put it in the oven for about 15 minutes and I'm gonna keep checking it. So because I've prepared a lesser quantity, it's gonna bake soon and I have to prepare another batch because I want a huge cake. Not huge, but yeah, I want it to look pretty. So see you after that. So this is the first batch of cake that I made and this is the second one. Now let it completely cool down. Hey guys, I'm back. The cake has completely cooled down. Now I'll have to just layer the top and prepare the ganache. Oh my god, there's a flip. Okay, so I have to prepare the ganache and I'm just gonna make like 1 coat, put it on the fridge and do the rest tomorrow because it's already 10. Let's get to it. Here I have 200 grams of dark chocolate. To this I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of whipping cream or fresh cream. Now microwave it or double boil it. Just mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of whipping cream and mix well and you'll notice that it thickens. Refrigerate it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you'll notice that the ganache thickens. Now I'm gonna whip it in batches. Add some ganache in the bowl and whip it until it thickens. It should look something like this, thick, creamy and glossy. Now for the sugar syrup, take 1/4 cup of water, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half tablespoon of the ganache and mix it well. Now let's assemble the cake. I'm just cutting the top portion of the cake to level it. It looks this way because of the air bubbles in the batter. Now take a cake board, add some ganache so that the cake sits in place. Place the first layer of the cake. Now add some sugar syrup. Add some ganache and spread it well. Spread it evenly. Now place the other layer. I forgot to add the sugar syrup for this layer, but don't skip it because this is what makes the cake moist. Now add some ganache and coat it well on all the sides. If you feel the ganache has thickened, then you can add some whipping cream and melt it again and use it. Now apply the ganache on the sides as well. Remove the excess and just smoothen it out. Clean the board using a tissue paper. Now refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Hey guys, so it's currently 11:50 and I have placed the cake in the fridge. I have to just decorate it, add some more ganache and decorate it tomorrow just before the cake cutting. I have cleaned up all the mess that I created. Now I'm just waiting for 12 so that I'll wish my sister and then off to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Jan 31st and it's 12:30 now,
And this is my birthday.
now I'm going to 4th block to buy some stuff. So see you later. I'm back. I didn't shoot anything in 4th block. Now coming back to the cake, add some ganache and coat the cake well. This is the last coat. So the mistake I made was refrigerating the cake overnight without covering it with a cling wrap. So that made the cake dry. So make sure you don't do this mistake. So now I'm using a scraper to remove the excess. Just smoothen it out. Now use a tissue paper to clean the board. Now take some Kit Kat chocolates and stick them to the sides. Use some gems and place them on the top to make it look colorful. Now tie a ribbon around the cake to secure the chocolates so that they just don't drop out, and it looks good as well. So that's it, our cake is done. Hey guys, so I just finished making the cake. I have to have lunch now and then I'll have to make the tent, which I'll show you later. So let me go finish my lunch and I'll meet you later. Bye. So this is just a proper glimpse of the cake. So now we started making the tent. We just used some dupattas and secured it with some tape. Try to make it look like a tent. We placed the seating and now we're just blowing some balloons. So this is how it turned out. It didn't turn out the way we expected it to be, but it still looked beautiful. We just used some fairy lights and switched off the lights and it looked really beautiful. Hey guys, I'm back. It's currently 9. Yes, it's been a while, but it's been a super tiring day. I'm just here to wrap up. So I hope you like this video. The cake turned out well, but the only thing was it wasn't that spongy, but the taste was amazing, especially the ganache was ultimate. And comment down below if you want me to try new recipes and if you want more such videos. So yeah, like, share and subscribe if you still haven't. So see you soon. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.